And we are live.
Hello, welcome to Usable Live. My name's Johan.
My name is Oliver. Today we're going to talk about support questions and how you can handle them in Usable.
Yeah, and we'll build it on everything we've done so far as well.
So on Friday we did the Mickey Darts app. We did a deep analysis of that and saved everything into Usable. So that's always a good starting point.
Yeah, and before that we made sure, or we added the feature of being able to send emails into Usable so that you were able to store them inside Usable. And I think we should just kind of demonstrate how you can use those two combinations to play a support role.
Yes. So you have, yes, the workspace, and it's our CRM workspace, I guess.
Yeah.
Where the emails come in.
It's the Clarity space that we've been playing around in for a while now.
Yeah, it should probably be called Clarity CRM, but never mind. It's our CRM.
It's our CRM.
So you go into Gmail there and see those are the emails that you have received so far.
Yeah, and this is all from previous sessions.
So I'm sending an email to you now. Support question. How do I invite other users to my Mickey Darts game? It does not work to press the login button.
Oh, very interesting.
So let's see if we can get that email in.
So we'll see, because Gmail. Because now it is running through n.n to automatically send this email into Usable. Let me just bump this up a bit. There we go. It's exciting.
Now I can see the emails in the inbox. The question is, has it come into the...
we'll see what
through
happens.
N8N.
See if the demo gods are nice to us this time.
And then we'll try.
I'm just refreshing occasionally.
Yeah.
It's so exciting. Oh,
No.
let me just close that down. Does he want to do it? Because currently the question is if Gmail is trying to communicate with n.n to send it over to Usable.
So it says it succeeded.
Oh, and it's here. Support question. So we have a fragment in the Gmail fragment type in our CRM workspace. So if we open that one, what does it say? Support question. How do I invite other users to my Mickey Darts game? It does not work to press the login button. And
how do you handle that? We might just...
Should we try it first, just to prove that it doesn't work? So I have this incognito because all the sessions are missing and stuff. So let's just try and press the online button. What happens? All right, it says login needed. We press login.
And it's just a blank screen.
It's just a blank screen.
That's sad.
Yeah, that was really annoying. Now no one can play darts.
No.
All right. So I think we should just jump right in, go over to Usable Chat, and just ask him first of
Maybe you can even copy and paste the question. Or...
Yeah, I don't think I pasted it anywhere in here, but we'll just say, first I think we'll say, hey, are there any
of course,
support-related emails? Just to see if there's any communication coming in.
Yeah. So we had our coffee, so we want to process any support questions.
It's 8 a.m. We just want to get through all the support tickets.
I found several support-related emails in the website.
Oh, look at that.
Oh, that's login issue.
Game invitation question. Login button not working. Marked as important.
Yep.
Oh, that's nice. So we'll say, all right. Let's have a look at number 2. Can you look into Mickey to see what could be the cause of this and the potential solution for it?
And before we do that, or simultaneously, we just make sure that we have access to Mickey.
I mean, while he's running, I can open the Usable workspace, or the Clarity workspace, sorry. And I believe it just...
It was saved in yeah, it was all saved there. Oh,
yeah.
Thank you.
As you can see from last time, we did just collect a bunch of Mickey Dart information. And he added a lot of Mickey Dart things.
Yep.
All right. So he is currently just digging through all these fragments to figure out if he can potentially come with a solution.
Yep.
And depending on how long this takes, depending on how broad your question is, I suppose.
Yep. So as you can see, we have a new version of Usable Chat, version 0.11.1.
Yeah. It already looks much nicer.
Yeah. And we're doing both things on the front end, but also behind the scenes and which models it uses.
Yeah.
You might notice from previous sessions then there you could choose the model, but now Usable Chat chooses the model itself.
Yeah. And this is also to be able to build up the ability to dynamically handle photos and other questions that the specific agents are better at.
And you can, of course, add photos at the moment.
Let's see, what does he say? I'll investigate. Let me first get the full details of that sport and then search for information about Mickey. All right. Go ahead.
Yep.
But again, it's still 0.11. So if you find any issues, feel free to let us know on our Discord channel.
Yep. So get memory fragment.
Yeah. Supports email, investigate. All right. Nice. Can you give me the solution or the reason for the failure and potential solution? I think he's getting a bit stuck. Please. Always that please.
Yeah, that helps. Looks like there's more going on now.
Yeah, executing search fragments. That's the fun part about AI. You always have to sit around and wait.
So the whole point here is that we got this programmer that documents everything in Usable, and then we have the supporter, different hat, that can go and use that information together with the feedback from the users.
Yeah.
And resolve support questions.
Oh, he seems to have gotten back with some... what's he saying? Reason for login button failure. The issue is most likely an authentication redirect loop.
Yeah.
Caused by incorrect or missing environment variable configurations. Key cloak configuration, invalid redirect URLs. And he suggests clear browser cookies and configure key cloak redirect URLs. As well as quick diagnostics so you can test the health endpoints and stuff.
I think we can shortcut this. We know what the solution is.
Yeah.
And apparently Usable does not know yet.
No.
And what is the solution?
The solution is that when you go in here, I have to open the other one. Here you go. It's that when you press online, login, he sends you off on a goose chase, whereas you should really just be sending you this information and then press login and then rest.
So the quick and dirty solution is to tell the user just write /login and then it works.
Yeah.
But long term, we should actually add an issue.
Yeah.
To make that redirect work properly.
I think we should really just test it by saying, because again, we only had him deep dive into the API, which means he gave you like broad strokes of what the concept is, not every single tiny piece of code inside the repo. So I think we should just start out by saying, okay, I did some digging as well. When I press the login button, it goes to this URL, but it really should just go to this one. We'll do that. Like that?
Yep. Yeah, that's the right way to approach it. Yeah.
From there, just log in as usual. But here's the fun part. We'll say, could you please create an issue for this? And also a nice reply email.
Perfect.
To the user or to the customer, I guess. And then we'll see what he does with that.
Hopefully, Usable Chat will create an issue.
Yeah.
And most likely in the Clarity workspace, because that's where he is.
Yeah, he says, I'll use our CMR workspace for the customer email and the Clarity workspace for technical issue.
And the professional reply email for Oliver. Oh, looking forward to that one.
We'll probably not send it off, but you know, you'll be able to see it. And yeah, because that's also the thing that we've been mentioning a couple of times before with the fragment type descriptions, so he knows where to put it.
And there's the reply.
All right. Oh, look at that. So he even says what's happening. Good news, I've created a high priority issue, so they can fix it immediately. And in the meantime, they can use just this URL. So he even tells them how to solve it for now.
Exactly.
So the question is, did he create the issue? He did, using create memory fragment.
So where was it created?
We can go look for it. Let's see if I want to wager that he actually put it exactly where he's supposed to put it.
No, that's 3 days ago. That's the wrong one.
Yeah, that's the wrong one. Let's just press this one and we'll see. Safety protocol, no API document.
So it's probably not in Clarity.
All right, we'll ask him, where did you save the issue? I actually didn't save the issue. I encountered authentication. I think he just saved the email. Clarity. Or number 1. Well, they say number 1. That's cute. He's even going to make sure that he is actually using the right workspace as well. But this is like a proper professional email. I think it's quite a long text as well.
Yep. We haven't set it up just yet to send emails out again, but
yeah,
the other command you could put if that was in place was just send the email.
Yeah, that's true. All right, let's see what he did. We'll go refresh. Look at that. Bug login button redirects to incorrect URL in Mickey Darts.
Fantastic.
And he shows login button, and then current behavior, expected behavior, impact, potential fix areas, and I mean, temporary workaround as well.
Yep. So I think we're done.
Yeah, I think that was short and sweet for once.
I think the whole point is that you can use usable for both technical and non-technical people.
Yeah.
And you can have better communication between
all
all parties involved in for instance, a Darts application.
Yeah, because I mean, just if I was the support person and I came up with this fragment, sent it to you, you have so much more context to just go ahead and fix this issue. And the person can hang up and move along.
Yep. Yeah. And with that, it's time to say, now go make something usable. Thank you.